Today I want to show you how to use a spreadsheet to create handwriting exercises. So if you're learning a different script like Chinese or Japanese or Russian or Arabic or something, and you need to practice handwriting, one way you can do this is to actually use a spreadsheet. Now, you have to be able to input the characters into a spreadsheet, or you need to have the ability to copy and paste them basically. And you can do this from Google Translate or whatever, and it's more than sufficient to do what you need. Now I'm just going to put a couple of characters in here just so we see how it works. Now I've created these three and I want to make them a good size for printing. So I'm going to change them to font size of probably about 28, and then I want to center them in the fields. Now the other thing is I want to be the cells to be slightly bigger than the characters themselves. Now if you were to print this, you would basically get the dark black characters printed out. Not much use. What you really want is some sort of watermarked type characters. So I'm going to copy these and paste them along to make myself an exercise sheet. But again, these are dark black. If you printed these, they're not much use to you. So what you can do is you format the cell, the font color, and this works in the Calc or in Excel. Either way, it's the same. And you just change the font color to light gray. And you can see that this has changed them to be almost translucent. And when you print this, they'll be very dim, but you'll be able to see them and you can trace over them. Now to help you with your printing, we'll add a couple free-form ones to the end. So what we can do here is we add borders to all of this, and then we set the print area to be the bit that we have created. And if I go to print preview, in this example I need to make sure that it's landscape rather than portrait, but depending on how you've set up your system, you may not need that. But as you can see here, when we print this out, I would get the example here in nice dark coloring. I get examples that I can trace over to help practice my writing, and then a free-form bit at the end where I actually try and write it without the help of the watermark. So anyway, that's how you can help yourself learn handwriting for a different script using a spreadsheet. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you use it. It's quick and easy to do. And if you like it, please subscribe and like. Thanks a lot.